Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Mercedes side mirror. To begin, you'll need a few basic tools like a plastic trim removal tool and a small screwdriver. Always work carefully to avoid damaging the paint or delicate components. Start by positioning your vehicle safely and ensuring the mirror is in a neutral position. This initial step is crucial for gaining access to the internal mechanisms without causing any unnecessary stress or breakage to the mirror assembly. Once the mirror glass is safely removed, you'll see several electrical connectors. Carefully disconnect these, paying attention to any heating or power mirror wires. Next, identify the clips that secure the outer mirror cap. Using your trim tool, gently release these clips and carefully remove the cap. This exposes the main mirror housing and its internal components, preparing it for further disassembly. With the mirror cap off, you'll now see the screws holding the main mirror housing. These are often Torx screws, so ensure you have the correct T10 or T20 bit. Carefully unscrew them, supporting the mirror assembly as you go. Once all screws are removed, gently pull the entire mirror assembly away from the door mount. This grants you full access to the internal wiring, motors, and other components for any necessary repairs or replacements. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps. Carefully position the mirror housing and secure it with all screws. Reconnect all electrical connectors, ensuring they click firmly into place. Finally, align the mirror glass and press it gently until it snaps securely onto its mounting clips. Test all mirror functions, including adjustment and heating, to confirm everything works correctly. And for a smarter home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.